What's up guys, welcome back to All Things Ghosty. If you're new to my channel, I am known as Naturally Chai or my birth name Shoshana. Now in today's video we have a two-part special. Part 1, I'm going to be focusing on creating a hair mask because it's Operation Hair Recovery. Now if you haven't watched my last video, it was all about how my hair was just literally coming out, and I'm going to do another video just explaining a lot more, but I know that a lot of it was down to stress. So let's get straight into this video guys. Now I know you guys are wondering what it is I'm mixing in this bowl. As you know, this is Operation Hair Recovery. So I'm going to be using a few star ingredients. The first is amla powder. Now this is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and it helps to keep your hair healthy. It should also help to reduce hair fall, dandruff and itching and much more. For growth and stronger hair, you can mix this with coconut oil and olive oil. For dull hair, you can mix it with eggs. For itchy dry scalp, you can mix it with lemon juice. You can even mix it with fenugreek oil and water. So here are my other ingredients that I'm adding. Apple cider vinegar. Now this helps to get rid of dandruff. It also improves hair and scalp pH. It is known as an antifungal and an antibacterial properties. It leaves your hair feeling soft, smooth and shiny. When it comes to Indian healing clay, also known as bentonite clay, it can be used as a natural way of removing toxins and adding moisture to your hair strands. So my mixture today involved adding 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of amla powder, 1/4 cup of Indian healing clay, and 1/2 cup of Garnier smoothing hair food, which has coconut and macadamia. Now this Garnier product can be used in 3 ways, and that is a mask, a conditioner and a leave-in. Today I'm going to be using it as a conditioner. Now once I've applied all of these things to my hair guys, I will be leaving this for an hour and a half to 2 hours. If you want to know how I arrived at this point, I will be leaving a link in the description box of my last video where I just had a massive setback. This is one I haven't had, well, ever. I mean, I've had setback before in 2018, but it was nothing like this. And to be honest with you, it really thinned my hair. I just shed it a lot, and this year has been super stressful. So yeah, just watch that video down below and then all of this will make sense to you guys. Don't forget to follow me on my IG, that's naturally_chai. That's also linked down below. So you can keep up with me guys and see what I'm getting up to. But yeah, as you can see, I'm applying this product and it's separating my hair nicely. Setbacks are a big pain in the butt, but you know what? It's all about the bounce back. It's messy, you can see my top. It almost looks like dandruff. All in the name of fun. And of course, healthy hair. In all of my videos, I always handle my hair in sections. When you have a lot of hair like I do, which are thick, thin strands, parting it is the best way for me to actually get through it. As much as it may take a little bit more time, it's just better and easier to handle that way. And with this mixture, I'm really aiming to saturate my hair from root to tip, and that also includes massaging it into my scalp as well. Here you can see I am now twisting this section back up to put it in a bun, and overall I think the amount of buns I will have in my hair is 8, 4 at the front and 4 at the back. I'm finger detangling throughout the whole time. Here's a close-up. This is something I'll be doing throughout the whole of my hair, as you can see. This is a full-on process, guys, so you will need to clear a schedule out of your day in order to spend the time needed to really focus on your scalp and your hair strands. For me, I like to do this perhaps on a Friday evening or Saturday night if I'm not going out anywhere fancy. Because like I said, this takes a few hours, especially if you want to do it properly. But of course, if your hair is shorter, it will take less time. My hair is much longer, So I know that I need to prepare myself mentally to get through this. I've mentioned this before, have a film, have some music in the background, and you'll be fine. But I'm just going to continue now just to work my way through it. Finally at the back, which is great. And the same level of focus is required. I cannot just do the top really well and skimp on the back. It's just not going to work out in my favor. At the end of the day, my mission is to work through my hair as smoothly as possible and apply this product throughout. That means making sure my hair is really parted nicely, working from the scalp or from the ends and then working my way back up. Here's a back view because I feel it's beneficial to show you guys exactly what I am doing. Once I actually reached the back half of my hair, I needed to make a second batch of this mixture because I ran out realizing, oh yes, you have a lot of hair on your head. This is so gross, guys. But it has to be done, so you should see the floor right now. Gosh, it's a lot of work to do. Clean this mess up. Yep, it's a messy affair. We're gonna get through it together. Ooh, this is messy. Clean up an aisle 12. Oh gosh, I couldn't tell you how disgusting this feels, sliding down my neck. Ugh. But it gets to be done. All the way from the root to the tip. Oh, okay. All done with that one. Straight up there. Next is messy. I would love to hear the mixtures that you guys have been using for your own hair, so I can perhaps experiment with them on my channel as well to show you guys. Yeah, this is work, but it's worth it. I know it will be worth it in the end. I'm looking for my hair to feel smooth, to feel bouncy, look glossy and shiny, and for my scalp just to feel really nice and moisturized. So yeah, comment down below and let me know your mixtures. Yeah, and let's have a discussion, guys. Don't forget to follow me on my IG, that's naturally_chai, just to keep up with me and see what I'm doing and perhaps interact with me every once in a while. Please make sure to check out my other videos and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the notification bell, guys, to stay alerted, to stay up to date, to keep up with me. Okay, so I'm all done, and the very last one now, and then I'm going to put the plastic wrap over my hair. And I'm going to leave it for an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, before I rinse this all out and then give it a really good wash. Of course, taking care not to rupture my scalp, so I'm just going to really massage my scalp. Soothe and massage. Yeah. See what it looks like, guys. Completely smothered. Now this feels very weighty. Got a little weight to it. Heaven, baby. My hair's so heavy, baby. Yeah, so let's go ahead and clean this up and then wrap my hair. So I have just a normal Scandal bag, shopping bag, whatever kind of bag. I'm gonna put this one on first. And then on top of that, I'm gonna put the shower cap on. It's also quite good for just holding in the moisture and keeping your head nice and warm. And it has a tie section here, so you can just put it as tight as you want, or just put in a little bow because it looks cute. I'm going to attempt to put it on my head. I haven't worn it yet. So yeah, here we go. You want to make sure that this bag is nice and secure, because you do not want any of the mixture to start, I don't know, running down your neck, sliding down your face. I mean, it's icky already. I don't think I want it again for the next 2 hours. So I'm putting this on first, and then I'm going to slide this bad boy over the top. I really love this product. If you're interested, let me know and I'll put the link below. I'm hoping that they'll still have some. I purchased this one from Amazon, I think. Amazon or eBay, but I'll have to double check. But I love it because it looks so cute. Yeah, and it's nice and secure, guys. Very secure. Cute, right? Gonna leave that on now for 1.5 to 2 hours and rinse it out. Okay guys, so just so you can see that I'm not kidding when I say this is messy. Have you seen the back of my neck? Have you seen that? Oh, the back of my shirt, all over my shirt. I even have it on my toes. I am not kidding. You see this? It gets messy. So you're probably better off doing this in the bathroom. Yeah, so thought I would give you guys another view of this and also how messy I am. I will put the link in the description box down below for where I actually got this. It's very nice and cozy. Ears are nice and snugged. Let's just give you a little view from the back. Well, gosh, look at the state of me. Messy, bitty, very bitty. Fingers crossed, hoping that my hair comes out feeling nice and soft and nourished and just revived and refreshed, really. So I think this is a mask that I'm going to be using, or maybe variants of it mixed with other things as well. I'm so grateful for a lot of the suggestions you guys have put down in the comment section from my last video. So yeah, I do want to say thank you guys so much for your support. It sucks, and like I said, I wanted to be transparent, but I will give another video update wise with a little bit more details, so you guys can understand a little bit more about what has been going on, what's been going on with me in a little bit more detail. So right now I'm just gonna focus this video on showing you what I'm trying to do to help with my hair. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell to see part 2 for my rinse, blow dry and final look.